Welcome everybody, it is Bobby 2 Pops Breaks on Friday. It is January the 3rd. We are breaking Gold Rush 16 by 20 NFL photos. It's a 2-box break from a fresh case. We numbered our 10 boxes, random those numbers up, got 5 and 10. Pick a name, get 3 via random on the left. Already randomized the names, alphabetized the customers. Gave them a couple minutes to trade, but nothing going down. So here we go, folks. Alrighty, guys. Bam! Well, stuff starting off with a nice one, man. Last couple cases, we pulled nice ones on our first boxes there. Gonna be the Houston run and shoot. Nobody grabbed them, man. Think it's Curtis Duncan, Landell White, Warren Moon, Hayward Jeffries, and forget who that is. Oh, well, I guess that would answer the question. Alright, Warren Moon, inscribed Hall of Fame 06, Lorenzo White, Curtis Duncan, Ernest Givens, and Hayward Jeffries. Yep, so that's Ernest Givens. Really nice photo. Again, Beckett hologram, and as you saw, full letter there, guys. Pretty nice hit out of the gate for you. All right, let's see who won that bad boy. Joey. All right, well there, Joey. Joey breaking his photo streak there. Joey was having a rough ride in the photos. Bam! I think what's funny is he actually had Houston run and shoot last case in a break or two. I might be mistaken about that, but I know somebody picked run and shoot a couple times. Alright, here we go, guys. Box 2. Pop. Zoom. Wow, man, we've had a couple of good breaks on our first ones, guys. Bam! Going to be Walter Payton, folks. Telling you this product has continued to treat us pretty good. Probably could have used that coming out later in the case, but I'm sure whoever won it is going to enjoy it. PSA certification, Walter Payton hologram on her, folks. Beautiful. Full letter from PSA as well, folks. Nasty, nasty, nasty hit of one of my all-time favorite players there, guys. The greatest running back ever. I don't give a fuck what anybody says. People can say Barry was the best pure runner and all this kind of crap, but it's like Walter was the best all-around running back in it. I don't even think it's even close. Wow, the Joeys crushed that one, man. Joey Hofdahl and Joey Joey Olin, man. Wow, guys, I'm very sorry, everybody else, but I'm telling you, folks, this product's treated us really well, and even the ones where we had big hits come out, like the Mahomes guys, we pulled a lot of other nice hits out of those, so don't think this is a dead case now. Even the ones where we pulled Burrow and stuff, man, we had several other hits in that, like 4 other hits, so join us at Bobby 2 Pops of Breaks, guys. Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook, Twitch, 8 p.m. Central. Bobby 2 Pops Breaks.